Arielle here from Fix My Books, and today we are going to be talking about where to mail your paper T1 return or your individual return. So as you can see, for Alberta, British Columbia, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Northwest Territories, or Yukon, it will go to the Winnipeg Tax Center, as well as in Ontario, Hamilton, Kitchener, Waterloo, London, Thunder Bay, or Windsor, Winnipeg Tax Center. Now, for these in Ontario, Barrie, Belleville, Kingston, Ottawa, Peterborough, St. Catharines, Sudbury, or Toronto, Sudbury Tax Center. New Brunswick, Newfoundland and Labrador, Nova Scotia, Nunavut, Prince Edward Island, Sudbury Tax Center. Quebec, Montreal, don't know how to pronounce that, or Sherbrooke, Sudbury Tax Center. And then Quebec, all other areas other than Montreal, again, don't know how to pronounce, or Sherbrooke, goes to this one over here that I also cannot pronounce. So I don't want to butcher the name, so I'm just not going to say it. You guys can read it here. If you know how to pronounce this, please let me know how to pronounce it. Again, I'm so sorry about that. For non-resident individuals, it will also depend where you live. So if you are a non-resident living in the US, UK, France, Netherlands, or Denmark, it will be to the Winnipeg Tax Center. If you are living in countries other than USA, UK, France, Netherlands, or Denmark, then it will go to the Sudbury Tax Center as well. So if you guys have any questions, please comment them down below, but I will also link this link down below so you guys have a direct link to this page from the CRA. Once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.